Now, I am extremely excited about PlayDoge. Guys, honestly, this is one of my favorite ones that I have seen so far in all of the pre-sales that I have ever seen. It combines almost everything that everybody in our demographic likes. You've got the 90s nostalgia. You've got the gaming aspect of this token. You've got massive appeal with the Doge sort of meme status to it. And you've got the potential to rocket beyond $1 billion market cap. Now, I know that that is very high and lofty expectations, but we're going to talk about why, compare it to some of the other AI or compare it to some of the other gaming tokens out there. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we got PlayDoge on the screen, and they are selling out fast. Now, listen, there's only 19 hours and 17 minutes left in this stage of the pre-sale. The price is going to increase if you guys do not get in before the 19 hours is up, or of course if the $787,000 threshold is met. Either way, the price is going to increase and you guys are going to end up paying more for PlayDoge here. Full disclosure, I have bought in. I've bought in during this stage right here. I'm very excited, and I can't wait for the 40 different stages and 40 different price increases until we launch, because then, of course, I'm going to be making as much money as possible, even on launch day. Now, if you guys find yourself interested in buying during this video, it is very easy to do so. You're simply going to click Connect Wallet and go through your choice of how you want to connect your wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys can use whatever you want. Now, from there, let's say that you want to buy 10 BNB worth. For 10 BNB, you're going to be walking away with 1,160,993 PlayDoge. Guys, if it goes to a penny, think about this. If it goes to a penny, you're going to be sitting on what? $10,000? And if it goes to $1, you're going to be sitting on $1,160,000. Now, the upside is clearly there, but let's go through real quick so I can show you what they're building, what they're doing, and why I think this is going to hit really hard with the cryptocurrency demographic. And then we're going to compare it to some of the top gaming tokens out there. And you're going to see in a second, all of them are floating above billion-dollar valuations. So if you scroll through their website, and if you want to, you can either follow along or buy by using the official affiliate link that's down in the description below. These guys have already been featured everywhere. You can see the news sources scrolling across the top of the screen. But what they're building is a Tamagotchi style, I guess, cryptocurrency play-to-earn game. Now, these are the mock-ups right now on what it's going to look like. It's going to be very simple. You guys know that Tamagotchi wasn't some really difficult game to play. You feed your pet, you pet your pet, you entertain your pet, and your pet grows. Same thing's going to be happening in this game, except you're going to be earning as you are playing with the pet there. So, very cool graphics. I think this is going to hit home with a lot of people out there. And you know what? The simpler the game is sometimes, the more people want to play it. So you've got this very simple Tamagotchi style game that they're building, and on top of that, retro style arcade games will also be available. Now, this app is currently not downloadable, but after phase 2, the app development is going to start when the pre-sale is going to end. And in phase 3, they're going to increase their marketing campaign, which is going to be huge. A lot of guys, I guess, blitz attack the marketing campaign during the pre-sale so they can raise as much as possible, and then they let the community kind of take over. These guys are increasing marketing after the token launches. Think about that. And then you're going to have your mini-game betas that you can play and centralized exchange listings on top of the increased marketing. That's after you get in, right? They're going to be doing everything they can to help the price increase and get as much exposure as possible out there. And then finally in phase 4, you got full mini games and the PlayDoge app launch is going to take place. Now, it's going to be happening on both Android and iOS. So if you guys Google Play, Samsung users, or if you got the iPhone out there, you're still going to be able to play and raise your Tamagotchi PlayDoge. Tokenomics breakdown: 4.7 billion tokens going into the pre-sale. Community rewards: 705 million. 1 billion going to liquidity. 1.1 billion going to marketing. 1.1 going to project funds, and 500,000 going to staking. Let me just show you these staking rewards real quick, guys. Check this out: 505% annualized interest if you're willing to stake your PlayDoge. Now, Go to the bank. Right? Go to the bank and ask them for 505% and see how that plays out for you. I think that they're going to laugh at you, and the guy behind the counter is just going to look confused because he has no idea what you're talking about. How could you possibly earn that? Well, you can earn that by staking PlayDoge here if you guys want. How to buy, it is very simple. You guys can go through this right here and get a nice tutorial on how to buy if you're unsure how to use that widget at the top of the screen. And then get all of your questions answered in the frequently asked questions page. What is PlayDoge? It's going to be a play-to-earn game. How are you going to be able to download it? iOS and Android. You've got the utility, play-to-earn plus staking, and you're going to be able to claim on the BNB blockchain. Okay, so you're not going to have to worry about really high Ethereum gas fees or anything like that. But take a look at this, okay? Now, a lot of these tokens, they launch with about a $10 million valuation. If you jump into the pre-sale, you're getting in, and it's most likely, I don't know what these guys are going to launch at in terms of overall market cap, but that's a lot of what I've been seeing. Now, look at the market caps of all these gaming tokens here. You can go out to coinmarketcap.com, and you can click on the gaming section, and you can see 3 billion, 2 billion, 1.5 billion, 1.5 billion, 1.2 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion, just under 1 billion, just under 1 billion. And you guys can see it go down here. Hundreds of millions and billions of dollars for these gaming tokens. Could you just imagine if PlayDoge hits $100 million market cap? It would roughly 10x increase. A $1 billion market cap would be roughly a 100x increase. Now, never invest something that you guys are unwilling to lose, all of that stuff. You got to be responsible out there, right? And you got to understand that these pre-sales, they are higher risk because there's no price action to go off of. There's no technical analysis that you guys can do. But if they build this app out, I know you're sitting here watching the screen right now because I'm sitting here watching the screen right now, and I'm getting excited about how fun this looks. Right? Other people are going to get excited about how fun this looks as well, and it's going to cause them to buy in. They're going to want to be a part of this. And when they do, and even after launch, when this game launches, it could absolutely go to the moon. I'm excited about PlayDoge, guys. I have bought into PlayDoge. It is very easy. Simply click connect your wallet and decide how much you want to buy in with, make the purchase, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys are excited as I am. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.